All you're gonna need is a shovel, Vinay. All you're gonna need is a shovel, Vinay.
Oh, you think you can carry that thing, son?
It's down to me or you, bro.
Hey, fuckface. We've got a horse problem. Is that your big black?
Yeah. What's it to you?
It's outside. Double park.
Fucking people don't feed their fucking kids. Fucking people don't feed their fucking kids. Hey lady. What'd you say your name was?
I didn't. But it's Gloria.
Feel like a party anytime, Gloria. I'll get some McDonald's for the kids.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Where's the bees? Did you?
What do you want?
Where's the bees? How about I want one of those? Get one of these yours here. What I do is this. Stick it. Stick what? Beak. In the throat. Wriggle it so you get the heart. You want to go first? Show me the pig, alright? I'll stick it in the head after and choke you to death. That's not why you can, Jake. Makes you have a taste, brother. That's why we have taps, man.
Crazy horses! My name is Shoga, and I am the president and founding member of New Zealand's newest gang, the Crazy Horses. We are currently recruiting new members. There are but a few rules you need to follow in order to get into the Crazy Horses. Rule number 1, you must be a criminal. We preferably do not want rapists or murderers. Rule number 2, you don't have to smoke marijuana, but sometimes it helps.
Now, boys afraid of undies.
Nuts. Connors, over here's head nuts.
Now, boys afraid of undies.
Nuts. Connors, over here's head nuts.